Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing so well. So I'm super excited about today's video. I feel like this has been long awaited because I've been talking about this for so long. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial, and I haven't done one of these in so long, but I'm really excited about today's one because I am filming with hair extensions, but different kind of hair extensions. Okay, so today I'm going to be filming with my Sitting Pretty halo hair. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know, or you would have seen, that I have been raving about these for almost 2 months now, or a little bit over 2 months now. These were gifted to me, yeah, about 2 months ago, and I have been wearing them non-stop. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. What I like about these hair extensions is that they're not clip-in hair extensions. So I previously was like living for clip-in hair extensions, but after I tried these, I actually can't go back. So the Sitting Pretty halo hair is literally a one-piece hair extension on a wire. So it basically sits on top of your head like a halo, and it blends into your hair. So these come in 3 different types of thicknesses. So there's I don't know if the correct term is like thin, but there's thin, medium, and thick, and this one is the thickest, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm going to show you 2 hairstyles that you can create with Sitting Pretty halo hair. 2 of my all-time favorite hairstyles to wear with these. The first one is the one that will require the most work, but the second one will be super easy. But yes, I think I have spoken for quite a little while now, so I'm going to jump right into this video, and I really hope you enjoy it.
God's plan. God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't. Yeah. I feel good sometimes I don't. Like, I finesse down Western Road.
Okay, so you can see before I put them in, my hair, it's actually grown a fair bit, which I'm so happy about, but it's still pretty short and it sits just above my boobs. And my hair's also really fine, so it's quite thin. There is a lot of it, but it's just, my hair's just not that thick. So I really love that this gives me the thickness that I've always dreamed of and a lot of length. So this has also been cut to blend in with my hair as well. But this is what it looks like in all its glory. It comes with a few different wires, but I prefer to keep the one that it comes with. It already has this one on it when it comes. So I am just going to put mine about here, hold it on the corners and push it down, and then it sits about there. I'm just gonna grab my mirror. I know you're probably gonna see it at the bottom, but I need it. So I'm gonna take the pointy corner of this tail comb. This is also by Sitting Pretty, and I'm just going to use that to thread my hair through. It's literally that easy to put in. You don't have to worry about sectioning your hair and clipping them in. It's literally that easy, and I haven't even styled my hair yet, and look how amazing it already looks. Like, I actually can't deal with it. Every single time I put it in my hair, and I swear I'm not just saying that, like you can see for yourself, it looks freaking amazing. Even when I put my head down, you can see that you can't even see the wire. As long as you've threaded the hair through properly, you're not going to be able to see it. I can sometimes see it because little hairs get caught through, but that's when you have to make sure that you pull them through. And it covers them perfectly. Okay, so for this first hairstyle, I am going to curl them. Before I do that, I'm just going to brush through my hair. And yeah, I know my bangs look really bad. But they are currently growing out, and I have told myself that I am never ever cutting bangs again because it looks terrible. But I'm just going to stand up actually and show you where exactly they sit. Now I'm really happy with the length. It's perfect for me. It's literally like just under my boobies. Okay, so to curl my hair, I split this in half and I'll tie up one half. And I just like to go from one side of my hair to the other. That's just what works better for me. It's very straightforward. I'm gonna section quite a big chunk at the bottom. I like to curl my hair in big chunks. I don't like to do like little curls. I prefer a little bit more of a wave. So I'm just gonna clip that up. And the way I curl my hair is pretty straightforward. I just curl it all going outwards. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So just like that, I hold it for about 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. And let it out. I'll hold it in my hand for a little bit. Bounce it up and down. Just while it cools a little bit, and then I let it out. Also, I love to use a really big curling tong. It's just my favorite to create that really perfect wave. So it's literally so straightforward. I just curl my hair the same all the way through. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit, and yeah. So now I've got my hair all curled, and this literally takes me about 15 minutes to do. It does not take long at all, which is what I love. Like, this whole hairstyle literally takes me 15 minutes, which is a godsend when you're tight for time. So I'm just gonna let this side cool real quick because I've just finished that side. But with this side, I'm gonna start running my fingers through it to loosen up the curls and turn them more into a wave. I'll even just brush it through a little bit. But that's actually perfect. And sometimes I don't even spray it. Like, sometimes, depending on how much I want the curls to drop, I'll just leave it. But if I do want it to hold a little bit more, I don't really use hairspray. I use the Bumble & Bumble Thickening Dry Spun Finish Spray. This is my all-time favorite. So I'll literally just spray it through my hair like this. Love it, and then I'll just brush through it again. Okay, so you just want to keep playing around with the curls until they sit the way you want them to. And with my fringe, this is the only part of my hair that I hairspray. I'll just spray it really lightly at the top and kind of push it into the curls so like the little bits don't come out, because that bothers me so much when that happens. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how majority of the time I style my hair when I'm wearing my Sitting Pretty halo hair. I absolutely love it. Obsessed. As I mentioned, the artificial light makes these little lighter bits stand out a lot more, but trust me, when I'm in natural light, and you guys see this all the time on my Instagram, it blends in so much better. I've had to use a lot of artificial light today as well because it is currently 5 p.m. in the evening. It is literally, I'm not even joking, 5 degrees in my studio right now. 5 degrees Celsius. Do you know how cold it is? That's why I'm wearing a hoodie. Like, it is so cold. But yeah, so now I'm going to show you my second hairstyle that I love to do with these hair extensions. And this one's super easy. Once you have your hair all curled, then there's really nothing to it. Okay, so what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of hair up here and brush it back. I'm going to very lightly just tease the crown of my head, just like that. I know it doesn't look very neat at the moment, but it will in a minute. So I'm just going to lightly spray it and then brush it down. And I know you guys are going to see that my scalp is actually very red. I have a very sensitive scalp to anything. When I'm in the sun, my head burns very quickly. When I use a hairdryer, it goes red very quickly, so that's just the way my scalp is. A lot of you guys noticed that, especially while I was on holidays, but it's because it was actually burnt, because I don't wear hats. I don't know why, I just don't like the way they look on me, but I really should be a little bit more sun-smart like that and wear a hat, because Leah, as you can see, my scalp is very red. Anyway, once that is done, you want to grab all of your hair, and basically this look is a ponytail. And you can actually, if you want like a higher ponytail, you can take the halo out and stick it, put your hair up in a ponytail and wrap it around. But this for me is my favorite way, because I find it looks the most natural and it's just the most flattering. I love this hairstyle. So I'm gonna take a few bits out, just like that. And they could be long bits, they could be short bits. I'm not going to do too long, so I'll put that one back up. And same on this side. Some other bits too. And then you just want to tie this up. And pull it tight. Now you just want to play with this. I'm going to pull it up a little bit up here. Give it a little bit more volume. And then if there are bits that you want to pin, you can pin as you please. But this hairstyle I find looks a little bit more fancy, so you can easily wear this to like a wedding or something. So I always put the pony to the side. And then, to zhuzh it up a little bit, I love to wrap a scarf around the pony. So I've got this really cute scarf that I'm just going to tie around the pony. And just like that. I'm going to turn around and show you guys how this looks. I don't know if it's going to be in focus, but... This is another one of my favorite ways to style my halo. There is so many ways you can style it, and so many quick and easy hairstyles you can do. So if you would like to see me do another video of other hairstyles that are super quick and easy to do with the Sitting Pretty halo hair, then let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, the main reason I prefer using my Sitting Pretty halo hair over like clip-in extensions is because it's so much easier to put in. I used to spend so much time sectioning my hair, clipping in hair extensions, and I found that they never blended in with my hair that well, and my head just felt heavy and the clips would tug at my hair. And I've also tried tape extensions in my hair, and that damaged so much. Like I had such thin hair after that. So I found, for me personally, this is the best option. And I love it. You can't see the string, you can't tell, like, you actually can't tell that it's fake. So yeah, I absolutely love it. I'm going to leave a link to these hair extensions in the description down below. Can you hear the rain? It just started pouring out of nowhere. I mean, it wasn't really out of nowhere, it was getting a bit cloudy, but it just started pouring. So I really hope that you can hear me. But yeah, I'm going to leave a link in the description for these hair extensions, and they've also been amazing and given me a coupon code for you guys to use, so I'll put that down below as well. If you guys have any questions at all, leave them in the comments down below and I will be so sure to get back to you. If you enjoyed this hair tutorial and you want to see more on my channel, also let me know in the comments down below. Like this video, share it, and subscribe and join the family if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.